Hey guys, welcome back to Draw Along Doodles with Walker. So, our next drawing in our Valentine's edition is going to be a bottle of perfume. So, not necessarily like a perfect Valentine's Day object, but something that's kind of fancy and kind of all gussied up. We're going to start with a square in the middle of the paper. Here we go. And that's going to be the outside of the glass bottle. Then we're going to come and we're going to make rounded corners at the top. Then we're going to connect them. Then we're going to angle in a little bit so that it's a trapezoid, but not a terribly huge difference, just enough. And then we're going to come and curve that when we get to the bottom to curve the ends. All right. Now, once I've got this, I'm going to come in and get my lines that are kind of going to define the liquid inside as that floats. So a line here at the other corner, a line curving across the bottom, then a line curving across the bottom and looping back. All right, and down here we're going to have two little bubbles because it's got some bubbles in the glass. Okay, now we're going to make a bow on top of our perfume bottle. So we're going to come across with a rectangle, then up and out, up and out. I'm going to make an end where it comes in a triangle, an end coming in a triangle. Then I'm going to put one right behind it for its back bow. And then I'm going to make a little line influencing and a little wave right here and a little wave on the opposite side with that S. Okay, so now we need the sprayer or the atomizer. So we are going to come a little bit inside and make another rectangle with a slightly rounded top. Then slightly smaller than that, we'll make the part that actually sprays. So up and up, and then gentle curve right there. Put a circle in the middle of it. Now, we're going to make the case. Now, the inside of the case is going to come up from where this bow center is and up, and it's going to curve over. But it's a thick glass top, just like this bottle is a thick glass bottle. So now we're going to come up around it, and we are going to curve gently across that top. Okay, now we need our reflection and shine marks here. So we're going to come right along there. And there we go. Now, you probably want a name for your perfume. Maybe it's fancy schmancy. Maybe it's special smells. But we're going to put a little tag across the front. I'm going to make mine rectangular, but yours could be circular or a trapezoid or an oval. And I'm going to give it a little border so that I can make that border similar to my bow. And there you go. You've got all the parts you need to make your beautiful, very fancy perfume. So this is a little bit of a loose drawing, really kind of creating that idea of perfume, but not feeling so tied to it being absolutely realistic. Which gives it a nice airy feel. It's part of the reason why we have all these lines that give us the impression of something, but don't necessarily give us the actual thing. Okay. We're coming right here. Here we go. Okay. Now, you come and get those bubbles down there. get the little lines of the liquid reflection inside. Get our dents in our bows. And then we are going to come and get the outline right there on the tag. Now, you might decide you want to write out the name, or you might just want to scribble to make it kind of a fancy writing. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it the fancy sign. All right. Enjoy, guys. Don't forget that it would be very nice of you to make somebody a Valentine's Day card with that fabulous drawing. Take care.